In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add whole moving average indicators on TradingView Pro quick and easy guide. Let's jump straight into it. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and you have a chart open. Any chart and any time frame will work for this. Once your chart is up, look towards the top of the screen for the indicators button. It usually sits near the time frames and other chart tools. Go ahead and click on indicators. This is where you can add all kinds of tools and studies to your chart, including the whole moving average. When the indicators window opens, you'll see a few different sections. What you want to do next is move over to the section labeled Technicals. This is where TradingView keeps the built-in technical indicators, so you don't have to dig through community scripts or custom code. Click on Technicals to make sure you're in the right place. Inside the Technicals section, you'll notice a search bar, usually at the top of the window. This makes it much faster to find what you're looking for. Click on the search field so you can start typing. Instead of scrolling through a long list of indicators, using the search box helps you get straight to the whole moving average. Now, carefully type in whole moving average. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter the results below. You should see whole moving average appear in the list of indicators. Make sure you're selecting the built-in version so that it's the official TradingView indicator, which is reliable and easy to work with. Once you see it, click on whole moving average once and it will automatically be added to your chart. After it's added, you'll see the whole moving average line appear directly on your price chart. From here, you can customize it by hovering over the indicator name in the top left corner of the chart and clicking on the settings icon. This is optional, but it lets you adjust things like the length, the color, and the line thickness, so it fits your trading style and is easy to see. If you're new to TradingView Pro or thinking about upgrading, make sure to use the link in my description to sign up. That way you can unlock more charts, more indicators, and a smoother overall experience while following along with tutorials like this.